Open the Wix editor by clicking the Edit Site button next to your site name on your Wix dashboard. Once the editor loads, click the Add Elements button on the left side. A sidebar panel opens showing all the elements you can add to your site. From the panel, click Strip. You'll see a selection of different strip styles appear. For a banner, choose either Classic Strip or Notification Strip. Click on the one you want, and it attaches to your cursor ready to place. Drag the strip to the top of your page and drop it where you want your banner to sit. Click on the strip to select it. You can now add content text for your announcement, buttons, images, whatever you need for your banner message. Click inside the strip to edit the text or add new elements. Click Change Background in the Strip Settings panel. This opens options for colors, images, or videos. Pick your background style. You can choose a solid color, upload your own image, or use one from Wix's free media library. Now, drag your strip over the header area at the very top of your page. When you get it in the right spot, you'll see an Attach to Header message pop up. This makes your banner appear on every page of your site. If the strip won't attach and you get an error, it's probably too wide. Grab the drag handles on the edges of the strip and resize it to make it narrower than your header. Then try dragging it into the header again. Click the Publish button in the top right corner. You'll see a progress indicator, then a confirmation message when it's live. After publishing, preview your site to check the banner displays properly on both desktop and mobile. Test any links or buttons you added to the banner to make sure they're working. Because you attach the strip to your header, it'll show up on every page of your site automatically.